Alright, so I'm going to get another cold start of this. I just looked at the weather channel and it says it's about 43 degrees outside. Car's parked in the sun though, so might help it out a little bit. But I've been having crank sensor issues, and like everybody's advising me, I'm going to go ahead and do that rewiring to the ECM or whatever, that big plug. I need to do that. So here's another cold start. Yeah. Now the other 2004 Jetta BEW TDI I have, it starts up instantly. So yeah, obviously something's up there. So really need to get this figured out because it's kind of annoying. Yeah, that's about it. Actually, you know what we should do is see if it starts up easier when it's been started for the first time. Yeah, A lot easier that time. I wonder what the deal is.